Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro. Today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Pathfinder case for the iPhone 15 Pro. I need to give a shout out to UAG for sending me a boatload of cases. This is just the first batch. I have a lot more cases to review from them. So shout them out for sending your boy Forbes over some cases. This is the Pathfinder. It looks like it's in black. You have this two-tone color here, and then this one here. I think I love this one, and I love just the overall case here. The black one looks simple, and I like the color on there. But we will review them. I will probably put it on one and then go over the case, and then we can check out the colors on the phone, so that way you can check out each color individually. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. We'll also make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Is the MagSafe strong on there? Also, we'll make sure you get that camera protection you look for. Also, the lip action. Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have the links in the description, so that way if you want to pick up these cases, you can definitely do so. But let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the black one. That's the one I'm going to review. We'll put these other two on the side. But if you have used UAG before, it's a nice packaging. 18 feet, drop tested, built-in magnet. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so and read it if y'all want to. Let's see, let's put this on the side. So here's the case itself. It has this little grip patterns here. The honeycomb pattern for shock absorption there. The UAG logo. Also, you get the classic UAG logo there. You can see the corner protection from the top and bottom too. Alright, nice and snug in there. Does everything line up at the bottom? Yes, you have a lot of room for your charging port. Let's check out the buttons here. Check them out. Nice and tactile for the power button. The vine rockers are easy to press. Nice and tactile too. Let's make sure my screen is dim. Now they have the action button open. They don't have a little button for it. Maybe this case was already being made when Apple switched it up on them. But you probably can get to it pretty easily. And yes, you can. You can see the action button comes up. I'm not really forcing my finger in there. It's just easy to get to. Now, would a button be better? Maybe. But as long as it lines up and you can get to it, not a big deal. I do like the grip, so when you hold it, you can feel the grip on there. You do get camera protection. You get a lot of camera protection there. And you do have lip action all the way around the case there, too. So you can see, if you place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. It is screen protector friendly. I have my Spigen screen protector on here. You can definitely see that it works well with it. And now let's check out the fit. Not too bad. A little loose on the top and bottom, but it's not bad. They come back to it. It is a rubber case. Now, let's see how strong this magnet is. Oh, one thing too. Let's see. Taking it off. It's not really too hard, but it's not easy either. So again, drop protection. The phone will not come popping out the case, which is very important too. So overall, I do like the fit of it. Let's check out the magnet though. You can wireless charge. Now, is the magnet one of the strongest? No, but it works. I mean, you're not going to really hang your phone like this or try to do that much to it. But could it be stronger? Yes, but it definitely works. It's not bad. I do love, just look how sturdy that case looks too. And the drop protection there too. Now let's check out the other colors really quick. Let me get those ready. All right, so this one shows off the beauty a little bit. I mean, it will fit the same way, but I do like that branding. I like how this pops out a little bit more, a different color. Like the buttons feel the same, nice and tactile. Everything lines up still. It's gonna have the same fit. The magnet is gonna be the same strength too. As you can tell, maybe it's not as strong. Let's see. All right, there you go. You have to put it in the right spot. So the magnet is strong like the other one. So I don't know which one y'all like better, the clear one or this black one, but I got one more. Let's show that one off. All right, I'm gonna call this the camo one. Do you like this one? I like that black too though. Man, this is a nice color. Which one? Out of these two, or we can even throw that third one in there. I don't know which color you want. I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick up whatever color you want. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite color. Will y'all pick up one of these cases too? But also before we do that, let's just recap it too. The power buttons are great. The Vine rockers are really great too. Doesn't really add bulk to your phone. I mean, it's not a bulky case at all. Everything lines up. The fit is really good. Is it excellent? No, but it's really good. It will pass the test. The magnet is strong enough to pass the Forbes Tech Reviews test. So overall, I do like this case. I'll probably rock this one for a few days now too. But again, if you want to pick up these cases, the links will be in the description. Y'all let me know what color you like the best. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.